In this video, we'll show you how to use the Unknown Demographic Choropleth Map, focusing on gaps in COVID-19 data across the United States. This map shows the share of total COVID-19 cases where race or ethnicity information is missing. For example, states like Georgia and Washington report over 50% of cases with unknown demographic data. Choropleth maps use color gradients to represent these gaps. The darker shades indicate states with a higher percentage of cases missing race or ethnicity data, highlighting areas where our understanding of the pandemic's full impact may be incomplete. To use this map, start by identifying regions where data collection is lacking. These gaps can have significant consequences, especially for communities disproportionately affected by COVID-19. Understanding where data is incomplete can help you advocate for improved data collection practices. Reliable, complete data is crucial for informing policy decisions and ensuring health equity. Explore the data and help demand better data practices to ensure all communities are represented. Together, we can work toward equitable decision-making and public health.